everyone, hope you're doing good and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing how to make pav. It's easy to make, so let's get started and check out the recipe.
I have given all the measurements in the description box to check it. In a bowl, add lukewarm milk, sugar, and yeast. Mix it well, close and keep for 5 minutes so that it will be activated. Now add all-purpose flour and sieve it. Add salt and combine well. Add butter. Now make dough with hand. If your dough is dry, then add milk and knead well. Our dough should be little sticky. Close and keep it for 1 hour. Dough is raised. Knead it once again. Keep the dough, cut it into pieces. Take a baking tray, brush with butter and stick the butter paper like this. Now take a piece and roll it like a ball and tuck it inside. Do the same for all the pieces. Once it's ready, brush with milk and close and keep for 15 minutes. It will be raised again. I have preheated the oven in a medium temperature and then bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. Now our pav is ready. Brush it with butter so the pav color will come nicely. Cool it and cut it into pieces. Now it's ready to serve. If you like my video, then like, share. If you haven't subscribed yet, then please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you will never miss my videos. See you with another video. Until then, take care and bye.